Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smartyurl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smartyurl.it/pass. This video channel is at smartyurl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars, study manuals, and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the Actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smartyurl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smartyurl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. A factory makes three different kinds of bolts. Bolt A, bolt B, and bolt C. The factory produces millions of each bolt every year, but makes twice as many of bolt B as it does of bolt A. The number of bolts C made is twice the total of bolt A and B combined. 4 bolts made by the factory are randomly sampled from all bolts produced by the factory in a given year. Which of the following is most nearly equal to the probability that the sample will contain 2 of bolt B and 2 of bolt C? And here's a solution. Let us write NA for the random number of type A bolts, NB for the random number of type B bolts, and NC for the random number of type C bolts in a sample of size n. Because of the proportions in which the bolts are produced, a randomly sampled bolt will have a 1/9 chance of being of type A, 2/9 chance of being of type B, and 6/9 or 2/3 chance of being of type C. You can see that the total of those probabilities is 1. The second one is twice the first one, and the third one is twice the sum of the first and the second one. A random sample of size n from the production of bolts will have a multinomial distribution with parameters n, PA equal to 1/9, PB equal to 2/9, and PC equal to 2/3, whose probability function is f sub NA, NB, and C of NA, NB, and C is n factorial over NA factorial, NB factorial, and C factorial times 1/9 to the power NA times 2/9 to the power NB times 2/3 to the power NC. This is a generalization of the binomial distribution that you need to know for the test. Then the probability that a random sample of n equal to 4 bolts, 2 will be of type B and 2 will be of type C is actually, I should probably say in a random sample of n equal 2 will be of type B and 2 will be of type C is 4 factorial over 0 factorial, because there are 0 bolts of type A, times 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 1/9 to the 0 times 2/9 squared times 2/3 squared, and that's 32 over 243, which is answer D. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to a society of actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.